Okay, so to install the Speed King's harness adapter for the factory fog lights, in the kit here you get a ring terminal for a ground, you get a pin for your wiring harness, goes to a connector, and then open ends. I've applied it to my harness, so it will go to my fog lights. What you're going to need to do is first remove the beauty trim ring from your headlight. It twists to the left counterclockwise, and then it snaps out. You will then remove your headlight. You do not remove the Allens. You're going to remove the Torx bits. So there will be 3 of them around the headlight surround. They're there and there. Then unplug the headlight from its connector. Behind that you will see this connector here. Let me grab my flashlight. You will see this large connector here on the side of the frame rail. It's plugged in like this. It will have a white Christmas tree clip right there into the side of the factory headlight mount here. You'll unplug that. I've already pinned out the connector to find which one has power when my fog light switch is turned on. That would be a blue wire with a black stripe. It's at the bottom left corner. So down here, if you can see this connector, the release tab is up here at the top. Looking at it head on, you go to the bottom row and you go to the very end pin. Now coming off of that, find the way that your harness orientates into that plug. So it's going to be the bottom left where that rubber pin is by my thumb. So I now need to take apart this connector, pull that small rubber gray pin in my harness from Speed King's, wire in my ground. I don't know where I'm going to do that yet. Probably right there where those 2 Allens are. Run my wiring, and that is a complete install. Alright, so I've got my harness, the end of it taken off. There's just 2 tabs, one on each side. This starts to pull back. It makes it easier if you take the tape and cut it back, being careful not to hit your wires, about 1 inch. That'll give you enough room. Now in here, right by my finger here, is that pin that I need to pull out, that plastic keeper to seal the weather pack. I'm going to pull that out, and then I just slide my wire through, click it into place, put this harness back together, and plug it back in. I forgot to show the install of the button. Essentially there are 2 Torx bits, one here at the top, comes straight down, one underneath on the bottom here. This top cover comes off. Your button will be exposed. There's 2 pegs, one on the top, one on the bottom of this button. You just need to pry on each side there. That button pops off, the new one pops on, and the cover goes on. Okay, so I've got the headlight back in, all the wiring routed down to my fog lights. This will work for any fog lights. I turned my ignition on. You can see all the lights light up. Right here is your fog light. If I hit my fog light button, light comes on. Fog lights are operational on both sides. Looks good, and that's it.